Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Another great day at the Spy Money Ninja Suite. This thing is just rocking. We traded the Sweet Scalper again today with the pre-made template. All you have to do is load the bot, click Load Template inside the settings, turn it on, and wait for the money. That's how we do it here. Everybody in the Discord is just talking about all the money they're making, and just to give you an idea of where we are with stuff, I'm going to give you a little sneak over here. Right here. This guy here is up 120. This is two more trades I could have had if I'd left it on. Then you have Anakin. She's at 1,400 and some odd dollars. We got 500, over $500 each on 5 accounts with him. And they're just posting profits all the way through here. I'm showing trades that I'm in, showing you levels, telling you what to do. And if you come back over to SpyBot Profits, let's see what has actually happened this morning. 1630 and 1575. He had two more right here. He's got 5 here, and it is just cranking up. We got lots of money being popped up on the stream today. We love it. Very proud of these people. They are committed. They get in, they study, and they learn how to trade the Ninja Suite. The Ninja Suite is by far, in my opinion, the best strategy and training that you can get on the internet. It is by far the best. We stick with it. We teach you. We teach you how to make money. Today we're up 74%, and I'm just trading 2 micros on this. That's all it is. 2 micros up 149.18. I turned it off. Right here would have been another $60, and there would have been another $60. So there's $120 more if I'd left it on. But what we have is a rule. We try to hit 50% target, and then we shut it off. And that is what you do. You don't get greedy with your trading. Most people lose their accounts and blow accounts because they want to keep on trading. Hit your goal, shut it off, and go live life. That's what we do. So after I finish up this video, we'll get cleaned up, and my wife and I will be out running around today like we always do. I'm usually done by 10 o'clock in the morning, and then we take off and run around, and I just handle support tickets and such with other users to make sure everything's working good, and taking care of Discord. Just keeping track of everybody. That's what I do during the day. I trade in the morning. I get my money, and then we go go run around. We live life, and this is the best way to live. If you just learn how to trade, you can trade a little bit in the morning, and then you take off and go. You can do other things. And that's what you want to do. It's like being retired all over. You just work a little bit in the morning and you're done. Now, when you lease the Ninja Suite, I'll show you how to do that. You come in here and you click on Ninja Suite up here at the top. And when you do that, that's going to open up and give you a choice of 2 different ways to do this. The bots are what you want. You can do the indicators only, but the bots is the answer. So if you click on the bots, it'll take you to a shopping cart. You put your credit card information in, and boom, you have it. As soon as you get signed up, you have full access to the back end. So I'll give you a shot or a show of what the back end looks like. When you go to my account up here, logged in, and that's going to give you all of this information. It's going to tell you how to do your machine ID. It's all online. You don't need me for anything. As soon as you lease, you get access to everything, get your machine ID in, it's automated within the system. You restart your NinjaTrader and boom, you're running. You've got your import files here. If you don't know how to do anything, you don't even know what NinjaTrader is, I have a newbies course. This newbies course, when you click on here, it's going to open up and show you videos that you can watch, and I'll walk you through it. Here's the market hours and how futures work. Here's how to, from start to finish, how to log into NinjaTrader, how to download it, install it, the whole thing, the whole kit and caboodle is right here. And then as far as how to use the charts on NinjaTrader, how to use indicators and the auto trading bots. Do bots and indicators know each other? 3 ways to know if you should turn a bot on or enter manually. This right here is golden. You need to know if you should even turn a bot on. Now in the Discord, let me show you this real quick. In the Discord, I actually tell you what I'm running. So when you come down here, we've got, let me find it here, the Sweet Scalper right here. This tells you what I'm running. So this morning, I posted this Everybody jumped in and everybody started making money. So I tell you what I'm running so you don't have to wonder, should I be running or not? Now, I'm not always right, of course, but for the most part, we make money every day. Very seldom do we have any losing days. Very seldom. And you will have a losing day. This one is how to add a bot to a chart and enable it and such. I mean, there's all kinds of information on here that's going to help you. So let me go back to here. There's setup instructions, how to set up NinjaTrader to work with bots. There's a couple little things you need to do. There's bot tutorials, talking about the perimeters inside the bot, the settings and so forth. Or live stream videos. All the live streams I've done in the past, you can get access to them now. How to use the NinjaTrader itself. It goes through and show you how to use all the charting and so forth. All of the information is right here. All you have to do is sign up. Once you sign up, you get it. You're going to get lots of bots and lots of indicators. So let's go back in here and take a look. You scroll down here and you will see auto trading bots right here. The main ones we use, like today, was Sweet Scalper. We use that one, and then you have the Man of War. Those are the two main bots we use. Some people use the Cobra. The Cobra is not as consistent as what the Man of War and Sweet Scalper. Sweet Scalper is my baby. This is my bot right here. I love that thing. It does a great job, and that's what I run pretty much every day. And it's just a good bot. It's a very consistent. I hardly ever lose money without. And then on the indicators, you get all of these. You get drawing tools, and you get the trade copier. We have, I didn't mention this, but inside the bot, we have a trade copier built in, so you have less lag. If you use a trade copier and you enter a trade, it has to go to a external program before it sends it to another chart. The bots, as soon as it enters a trade, it sends a signal to all charts. And you don't even have a chart. It's actually accounts. You don't even have the charts open. So it sends it to it, and it works it, and it does a great job. A list of questions. A lot of people have me different questions right here. Just about every single question you'll have, I promise, will be answered right here if you just read it. Very seldom does this not answer it. If you do have more questions, you go to the top and go to Contact Us. When you go to Contact Us, it's going to create this form for you to fill out. I'm the one that answers this, so you are talking to the owner, the trainer. I'm everything to you. So you got your name, your email, phone number, message. Put your questions in here. If you need to talk to me, just put your phone number in. I will call you. The VPS. A lot of people don't have a computer strong enough, and maybe it's not in the budget. So you can go ahead and click on this and get a virtual private server that's located in Chicago. So your executions are better than if you had your system somewhere else. It works really good. It's quick. It's up to 1,000 megabytes per second internet, and you have 8 gig of RAM, 80 gig of hard drive, and you got 2 processors in it. It's really quick. It does a good job. You got plenty of space in it to run NinjaTrader. This is not something you want to get to run other things on. You want to run NinjaTrader. You want everything to be right here, and you can access this from your phone, from your tablet, from a work computer, home computer, or a buddy's computer. You can access it from anywhere. So it's an $85 a month, and there's no no contract or anything. You just pay for it, and when you're done, you cancel it or you keep paying. And then when you come back into funded accounts, if you don't have the money for an account, a live account, there's 4 options here to choose from. All 4 are good companies. I like them all. They all have their little quirks. But I tell you what, BluSky has a new one out that's a $150,000 account. It has a $800 drawdown, which is tight. You got to be careful. And it's got a $2,000 profit target. No evaluation period. If you make $2,000 today, you go to a live account and start getting money tomorrow. This is the deal. In my opinion, that's probably the best one, but you got to be careful about that $800 drawdown. It's a static drawdown, so as you make money, it still stays $800 below the 150. There are no monthly fees or anything for BluSky. You do have a monthly data fee, which is your exchange fee of $112. That's the only money that you're going to be paying out. And then once you get so much in there, they put you into a live trading account, a real one, one with the brokerage. And then at that point, you get to a certain point and they pay out 90%. So this is the real deal. You only need the one account. If you have a $150,000 account, you can trade 20 contracts, and that one is the deal. This is in my opinion, the best one. If you're wanting multiple accounts, then Apex has up to 20 accounts, but you do have some errors every now and then, so you got to be careful with that. And Take Profit has 3. You Profit, I think it has 3 as well. So you got 3 and 3, and then you've got 20 over here. You can only have either up to $100,000 in accounts or the 150. The 150 is the deal, in my opinion. So down here at the bottom, there's some discounts and stuff. I need to update some. This one here is expired now, but if you go in there, you can get, if you click on them, you can get some discounts or some coupon codes that will pop up when you click on these, and that will help you get a better deal. Again, if you have any questions, go up here to the contact, send me an email, let me know, and let's get you started today. Let's take a look at what would have happened if I'd left this on. So, come back over here, let's make this a little bit bigger. There's 2 trades right here that will be done. At that point, usually about 10 o'clock, we kind of quit. You would not have had any of those trades. So this would have been the last trade you had. So it would have kept you out of all this. So actually, there would have been one loser right here. You'd had a loser right there. And so you'd had 4 wins. And let's see, 1, 2, 3 wins, I think. No, it's 4 wins. So you got a win here, a winner, winner, a winner. So there's 4 wins, 1 very small loss. Our stops are tight the way we work them, and this one would have been very minimal money to have lost. And I took the loss, and I still come out with 74% to the good. So it's a good day to trade. It works great. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's get you started today. That'll get you the weekend. You can go through the videos and be ready to trade on Monday. See you in Discord.